Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we're diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of December, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of September, 2024, our system has identified MicroStrategy Incorporated as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.34. Let's examine the stock's performance over this period. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 180.66% since we first designated MicroStrategy Incorporated as a buy candidate 54 days ago. This equates to an average return of 3.35% per day since its classification as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth is likely. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of 147.51% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 98.61% to 215.75%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates an anticipated change of 81.89% over the next year, with potential returns fluctuating between negative 24.8% and 115.77%. This suggests a price range of $305.33 to $876.1 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline, Significant Movements in MicroStrategy Incorporated Stock Price on Wednesday, shifting by 12.14% between high and low. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 4th of December, 2024, the MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price increased by 8.72%, rising from $373.43 to $406. During this trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 12.14%, with a low of $365.60 and a high of $409.97. Over the last 10 days, the price has decreased in 6 instances, showing a decline of 5.7% during this period. Trading volume also rose, with 6 million additional shares changing hands compared to the previous day. In total, 28 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $11.23 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $542.99, while the lowest price was $43.89. Currently, the price stands at 25.23%, or $136.99, below the 52-week high of $542.99, which is also the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy continues to capture attention in the financial markets as it sells stock to finance further Bitcoin acquisitions, reflecting its steadfast commitment to cryptocurrency investment. This strategy not only positions MicroStrategy as a leading corporate holder of Bitcoin, but also boosts revenues for its underwriters, indicating strong market confidence in the future of cryptocurrency. In another notable development, LQWD Technologies Corporation has joined MicroStrategy's Bitcoin for Corporations initiative, reinforcing the movement towards corporate Bitcoin adoption. Such partnerships are likely to enhance MicroStrategy's credibility and influence within the tech and financial sectors, creating positive sentiment around its stock. However, caution persists. Analysts have identified MicroStrategy among several stocks trading excessively above their 200-day moving averages, suggesting potential market bubbles. Concerns about valuation sustainability are heightened as the stock retraced from recent highs. The question lingers whether a pullback represents a buying opportunity or a risk of further decline. Moreover, technical issues within exchange-traded funds tied to MicroStrategy hint at broader market volatility surrounding single-stock trading. With interest rates fluctuating and macroeconomic factors at play, investor sentiment remains cautious. Long-term, its role in the evolving landscape of corporate cryptocurrency adoption may prove beneficial, but investors should remain vigilant. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned MSTR a buy grade along with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, BTIG again assigned MSTR a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, Benchmark reported giving MSTR a buy grade along with a hold action. On Sunday, the 22nd of September, 2024, Barclays rated MSTR with an overweight grade and a hold action. On Friday, the 13th of September, 2024, Cowen & Company assigned MSTR a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. If there are downward corrections, support is expected at $384.74 and $305.89. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, and since then, the stock has declined by 14.32%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal approximately 10 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal around 64 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal just 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal about 55 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal roughly 55 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 57 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal around 55 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal approximately 43 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $397.28. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock is expected to exhibit significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $44.37 between its high and low, which is a change of 12.14%. In the past week, the stock has recorded an average daily volatility of 8.68%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This critical ratio reflects a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, persistent negative PE ratios may imply inadequate profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of February, 2025. Analysts have a consensus estimate of negative 13 cents. It's important to watch these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $421.88. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $397.28. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Graham Stephen X, who bought and sold 40,000 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades reveals a negative insider power with a ratio of negative 33.113. In total, insiders acquired 361,029 shares and divested 728,865 shares in the last 100 transactions. Our recommended stop loss is set at $382.45, representing a decrease of 5.8%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, resulting in considerable risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 9 days ago. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for MicroStrategy Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. However, after analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems find that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 5th of December, we anticipate that MicroStrategy Incorporated will open down by $12.14, starting at $393.86. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to be responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best wishes from all of us here at StockInvest.